Passive income's a fucking scam. I'm tired of people coming to me saying, I want to make passive income. My point is, if you have no money and you're coming to me saying, I want to make passive income, why are you not making active income? Get up off your ass.
In a world where financial independence and freedom from the 9-to-5 grind are highly coveted aspirations, the concept of passive income emerges as an alluring beacon of hope.
Is passive income a scam?
I believe that passive income is essentially a myth.
Passive income is nothing more than a fairy tale.
Passive income.
It's a bad mindset. I really believe that.
Picture yourself lounging on a tropical beach, your bank account swelling as your investments and side ventures continue to pour money into your pockets without requiring your constant attention. Sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? Yet as the siren call of passive income beckons, it's imperative to scrutinize its allure more closely. Is passive income truly a golden ticket to financial freedom? Or is it a well-disguised scam that preys on our desires and expectations? Explore our channel for financial growth insights. Subscribe for captivating content. Together, let's thrive and prosper on this journey. Peeling back the illusion. Passive income promises a life of ease, where money flows in without the exhaustive effort typically associated with traditional employment. It taps into our collective fantasy of escaping the shackles of a regular job, enticing us with the idea that our money can work for us rather than the other way around. From dividend stocks and real estate investments to online businesses and royalties, the avenues for generating passive income seem as diverse as they are appealing. But let's pause for a moment and ask, is passive income really what it's cracked up to be? Could it be that this tantalizing promise is, in fact, a mirage that leads many astray? To unveil the truth behind the facade, we must confront the very essence of passive income, its intricacies, and the pitfalls that often escape the spotlight. Dissecting the passive income myth. At its core, passive income implies money earned with minimal effort after an initial investment of time, money, or resources. However, the term passive can be misleading. While it's true that some income streams might demand less daily engagement than a full-time job, achieving true hands-off income is a rarity. Many passive income sources necessitate ongoing maintenance, monitoring, and adaptation to economic changes or shifts in market trends. Moreover, the quest for passive income can often lead individuals to risky territory. In the fervor to jump on the passive income bandwagon, people might be lured into hasty investments or untested ventures, only to find their hard-earned money disappear into thin air. This raises a crucial point. The pursuit of passive income demands its own form of work, research, due diligence, and decision-making, which might not be as passive as it initially seems. Recognizing the red flags. While passive income itself is not inherently a scam, the landscape is teeming with schemes that promise riches but deliver disappointment. From multi-level marketing, MLM, structures, to get-rich-quick online courses, the promises of effortless wealth often leads individuals into a labyrinth of disillusionment. These scams capitalize on our yearning for a better financial future, offering shortcuts that rarely lead anywhere substantial. In the realm of real estate, seminars and programs that promise to turn you into a real estate magnate with no money down have left countless individuals in financial ruin. Similarly, the explosion of online courses and ebooks touting secret formulas for generating passive income online has bred a sense of distrust. As legitimate as some of these offerings might be, the oversaturation of the market has made it challenging to distinguish between genuine opportunities and well-packaged scams. Navigating the passive income maze. In our ceaseless pursuit of financial freedom and escape from the daily grind, the notion of passive income stands as an alluring oasis. However, it's imperative to approach this concept with a clear and discerning mind. While passive income is not inherently a scam, the hype surrounding it can lead individuals into ill-fated decisions, unrealistic expectations, and even outright scams. Before embarking on the passive income journey, one must arm themselves with knowledge and a healthy dose of skepticism. Understand that genuine passive income streams often require substantial groundwork, ongoing maintenance, and the willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. The road to financial freedom is seldom as effortless as it seems, and shortcuts often lead to dead ends. In the end, the true path to financial security lies in a holistic approach that combines smart investments, diligent research, and, yes, a certain level of active engagement. Passive income can be a part of the mosaic, but it should never be the sole focus. Let the allure of passive income serve as a reminder that in the complex world of finance, there are no shortcuts to enduring success.